Thank you so much for coming to chat to us. So can you start me off by telling me your name and the company that you work for?
Sure, I'm Sylvain Fortè. I'm CEO and co-founder of SESAMm.
Fantastic. And tell me about SESAMm.
SESAMm is an AI company. We analyze billions of documents from the web, so articles, messages, news, blogs, social media, and we derive risk analytics, in particular ESG risks on companies.
And what brings you to Finovate this year?
So we've participated in a few different Finovate events here in London and in New York. So we are primarily here to pitch our solution. This year we focused a bit more on the corporate side on how we can serve clients that are looking to analyze their portfolio of suppliers and their own clients from a risk and ESG monitoring perspective, like detecting online risks, drops in sentiment, mentions of lawsuits, etc. that are appearing on the web. So we're primarily there to do that demo and to meet with different banks, asset managers, innovation team, digital teams, ESG, procurement, so basically our clients.
And you delivered a demo yesterday. Can you tell me a little bit about how that went and what you showcased?
Sure. So on the demo, we really focused on supply chain analysis. So we see that a lot more banks are in need right now of live monitoring solution in order to understand their supply chain and make sure that they are not exposed to operational or reputational risk. So a typical example is you have a bank that has, say, works with a large startup and that startup goes bust or is exposed to a lawsuit. You want to see that immediately. And it's not currently done in the industry. It's only done during initial due diligence, but not later on a continuous basis. And right now, the market is actually massively exposed to that supply risk. And with the examples of Signature Bank and Silicon Valley Bank, that have been taken by the regulator now and which have gone bust. And so it shows that corporates have that need to monitor their partners and their suppliers, and we can actually leverage web data in order to do that. The first indication that there could be a problem and reputational problem that then led to the bankrupt appeared on the web, in particular in social platforms, which we have been tracking for quite a while.
And can you talk to me a little bit about your technology? How does that influence your market?
Sure. So we rely on AI in order to basically automate manual tasks. A lot of rating agencies, ESG and credit rating agencies are manually assessing companies. We aim to do the same in order to be able to do that in a continuous and relatively high frequent way every single day, and also to do it on assets that no one covers. There are basically like 23 million companies in the world, and less than 50,000 of them are actually monitored on a regular basis. So can you imagine the amount of risk that is not covered?
Can you talk about any exciting new developments for the company in the coming years?
Yeah, so SESAMm is actually a fintech company first that is now starting to expand in that corporate space. So we started working with banks more on the asset management side, monitoring public and private assets, and now we do a lot more with suppliers and clients analysis. So this is a big shift for us and very strategic in terms of developing our newest technology. Another big news for us is that we just finalized a Series B a few weeks ago with some great investors, and so we're financed, we're ready for the next steps, and we're expanding our team and our use cases now.